Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Roblox password. First, open the Roblox app and tap on the three dots labeled More. Then scroll down and open Settings. From there, tap on Account Info. You'll see different details about your account, including the password section. However, Roblox does not show your current password inside the app. You can change your password from there, but you cannot reveal the existing one. If you want to access your account without typing a password, you can also set up a passkey by following the on-screen instructions. Another option is to check whether your Roblox password was previously saved on your device. For example, on an iPhone, open the Passwords app and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Then search for Roblox, select your saved login, and you may be able to view the saved password. Keep in mind, this only works if you previously saved the password on your device. And that's how you can check your Roblox password or find a saved password. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.